Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a new section where numbering must start. This isolates headers and footers. Place the cursor at the end of the previous page, then choose Layout, Breaks, Next Page. Make sure you can see the section break by enabling Show/Hide. That confirms you split the document. Once done, double-click the header or footer in the new section to open editing mode, because you will unlink it from the previous section before inserting any page numbers. You must unlink the new section from the previous one so numbering differs. In Header/Footer Tools, click Link to Previous to disable it. Next, use Insert, Page Number to pick top or bottom placement and a style you prefer. Then choose Format Page Numbers and set Start at to the number you want, often 1. This tells Word to begin numbering from that page. Make sure the preview matches expectations before closing the header and footer. You finish by closing the header and footer and scrolling through the document to confirm numbers display only where intended. If numbering appears on earlier pages, go back and ensure the section break is correctly placed and Link to Previous is off. If numbers restart unexpectedly, reopen Format Page Numbers to correct the start at value or choose Continue from previous section. One quick troubleshooting tip: reveal formatting symbols.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.